Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best VR headsets, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best VR headset options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Stick around to discover which VR headset is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's dive right in and get started. The first on our list is Apple Vision Pro. This VR headset by Apple represents a significant leap in digital and physical interaction. Design-wise, it has a single 3D-formed laminated glass for cameras and sensors, integrated into a custom aluminum frame that attaches to the light seal. The light seal conforms to your face, blocking stray light and ensuring a precise fit. The solo knit band and dual loop band options provide cushioning, breathability, and stretch, with a fit dial for personalized adjustment. Moreover, with more pixels than a 4K TV for each eye, films, games, and shows come to life with stunning detail. It's like having a front row seat to everything, no matter where you are. Navigating your digital life is intuitive. Built on macOS, iOS, and iPadOS, Vision OS makes interaction feel magical. You can control everything with your eyes, hands, and voice. Just look at an element, tap your fingers to select, and use the virtual keyboard or dictation. The M2 chip handles Vision OS and graphics, while the R1 chip processes inputs, ensuring a lag-free, real-time view with a 12-millisecond response time. In addition, it redefines your workspace. You have limitless space to organize everything you need. Seamlessly bring in your Mac workflows with Mac Virtual Display support. For collaboration, you can use SharePlay in FaceTime, which allows you to work together in real time using apps, so your team is always in sync. Besides, Apple's first 3D camera captures moments in 3D and enhances old photos and videos, transforming 2D images into spatial ones and wrapping panoramas around you for a vivid experience. To speak of the battery life, it supports up to 2 hours of general use and 2.5 hours of video playback. However, there's no denying the fact that the Vision Pro is hefty at 1.3 to 1.4 pounds, and its external battery is a major inconvenience. Plus, it has a premium price, which means it's not for everyone out there. Overall, the Apple Vision Pro is a revolutionary VR headset that transforms how we work, play, and experience digital worlds. The second one on our list is MetaQuest 3. The MetaQuest 3 mixed reality headset delivers advanced entertainment, blending virtual elements with your real-world space for an immersive experience. Design-wise, comfort is key for extended play, and the MetaQuest 3 delivers with a redesigned, slimmer profile and customization options that allow for a perfect fit. Weighing in at a mere 0.88 pounds, it's light enough for long sessions without feeling like a burden. The MetaQuest 3 offers twice the graphic processing power compared to its predecessor, the Quest 2. You'll find yourself immersed in dazzling 4K plus visuals, along with rich 3D audio that offers enhanced sound clarity and a bass performance that makes every explosion, footstep, or whisper feel incredibly real. Plus, the volume range is 40% louder than the Quest 2, so you can really crank it up. Moreover, the Touch Plus controllers offer fine-tuned precision and realistic sensations, making every interaction feel natural and intuitive. And for those moments when you want to go controller-free, Direct Touch technology lets you use simple hand gestures to navigate your virtual playground. It's also incredibly versatile. With a library of over 500 immersive apps spanning gaming, fitness, wellness, entertainment, and social experiences, there's something for everyone. However, the battery life of mere 2.5 hours is not impressive, and there is no eye-tracking technology in this VR headset. But still, it does a great job. The included 18-watt power adapter ensures quick and efficient charging, so you're always ready for your next adventure. In sum, the MetaQuest 3 offers exceptional performance, comfort, and versatility, enhancing virtual experiences by blurring the lines between the virtual and real worlds. The third one on our list is PlayStation VR 2. This piece of technology is your portal to incredible adventures in entertainment and gaming, all from the comfort of your living room. The smart design of the PSVR 2 ensures freedom and comfort. 4 tracking cameras built into the headset capture every movement, negating the need for external cameras. The light-balanced Fresnel lens, combined with adjustable headset straps, vents for airflow, and reduced fogging, keeps you comfortable for those marathon gaming sessions. When it comes to visual performance, nothing quite matches the PlayStation VR 2. Equipped with two 2000 by 2040 OLED displays, it offers stunning 4K HDR visuals at up to 120 FPS. This means 4 times the resolution of the original PlayStation VR. The advanced graphical rendering and a 110-degree field of view allow you to witness everything from the tiniest details to expansive landscapes in breathtaking clarity. With PlayStation VR 2 Sense technology, you'll experience eye tracking, headset feedback, and 3D audio that make every moment immersive and lifelike. The intuitive controls, featuring haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and finger touch detection, ensure you're not just playing the game, but living it. Eye tracking technology improves realism in interactions by allowing avatars to express heightened emotions, enriching co-op and multiplayer experiences. Setting up the PSVR 2 is a breeze with a single USB cable connecting to your PS5 console. Customize your play area, jump into a game, or enjoy non-VR content in cinematic mode. Plus, the see-through view function lets you check the real world without removing your headset. The PSVR 2 now offers a PC adapter, expanding its compatibility to PC gaming. However, it still lacks built-in speakers or headphones, so users will need to use their own audio equipment. All in all, the PlayStation VR 2 headset offers a vivid, tactile, and emotionally engaging experience, transporting you to new worlds with remarkable realism. The next one on our list is HTC Vive XR Elite. With its sleek, lightweight design, this headset is your perfect entertainment and gaming companion, whether you're at home or on the go. Visually, the adjustable IPD and diopter dials ensure that every glance is crystal clear, offering a natural viewing experience that feels just right. When it comes to mixed reality, the vibrant, high-resolution XR pass-through crisscrosses your realities, amplifying the fun and imagination as you interact with virtual objects in your real-world space. Plus, you can connect it to your VR-ready PC for low-latency, high-fidelity gaming that pulls you deeper into the game. With a combined resolution of 3840 by 1920 pixels and a refresh rate of 90 Hz, the visuals are vivid and vibrant, ensuring you don't miss a single detail. The 110-degree field of view wraps around your periphery, making every experience all-encompassing. Navigating through your virtual world feels intuitive with the 6DoF controllers and hand-tracking features. You can click, drag, scroll, and type with natural hand and finger movements, putting control right at your fingertips. Audio is just as important as visuals, and the powerful speakers of the Vive XR Elite deliver crisp, immersive sound that's balanced and clear, making you feel like you're truly part of the action. The battery life is designed to keep up with you, offering up to 2 hours of continuous power. Its hot swappable and replaceable cradle means you're never left stranded mid-exploration. This thoughtful balance offers both comfort and performance, making even extended sessions a breeze. However, this VR headset has been priced very high, and it lacks a software library. In short, the Vive XR Elite is designed for maximum comfort and visual clarity, featuring a full-color pass-through camera, depth sensor, adjustable dials, and hand-tracking capabilities. At number 5, we have the Meta Quest 2. The Meta Quest 2 is a versatile all-in-one VR headset that provides users with an immersive experience, allowing them to explore, connect, and play in a boundless virtual world. This headset, powered by the Oculus operating system, offers a 360-degree field of view and transforms your digital reality experience. With features like 3D positional audio, hand tracking, and user-friendly controllers, it creates immersive environments. Boasting over 500 titles across gaming, fitness, social, and entertainment, the possibilities are limitless. Additionally, the Meta Quest 2 offers exceptional comfort with its lightweight, adjustable headband and the option for personalized upgrades. It features impressive optics with a 1832 by 1920 resolution per eye and supports refresh rates of 60, 72, and 90 Hz. With 128 gigabytes of storage, users have ample space for their favorite VR experiences. Plus, the Meta Quest 2 is characterized by its speed and performance, featuring a fast processor and immersive graphics that enhance action-packed moments with stunning clarity. Users can enjoy a smooth experience without interruptions from loading screens or lag. The wireless headset, intuitive controls, and built-in battery make it easy to set up and start exploring without the need for a PC or console. The Meta Quest 2 focuses on safety with customizable play areas and boundary alerts for worry-free gameplay. It's portable for users on the go and includes privacy features and parental supervision tools, making it a safe and enjoyable VR experience for families. The only negatives of MetaQuest 2 are that its controllers are not rechargeable. Overall, with its cutting-edge technology, intuitive design, and unwavering dedication to safety and privacy, the MetaQuest 2 opens the door to limitless possibilities in the virtual world. Last but not least, Big Screen Beyond is on our list as well. This headset redefines virtual reality with its lightweight design, weighing only 127 grams and measuring 24 millimeters at its thinnest point. This headset is built to the shape of your face and aligned to the position of your eyes to provide unparalleled comfort and clarity. The luxurious soft strap is gentle for long sessions, whether you're relaxing or wearing headphones for an immersive sound experience. For superior audio, the audio strap enhances sound quality and boosts overall comfort, making it easy to switch in and out of your virtual world. When it comes to visual fidelity, this VR headset sets a new standard with its 4K OLED display, providing crystal-clear images and vibrant colors. Paired with 5120 by 2560 pixels of resolution, up to 90 Hz refresh rate, a wide field of view of up to 110 degrees, and 32 pixels per degree, you'll feel fully immersed in your virtual environment. Plus, over 13.1 million pixels are packed into dual 1-inch OLED displays in an RGB striped layout. And with adjustable lenses for nearsighted or farsighted users, everyone can enjoy the stunning visuals without needing prescription glasses. With its built-in tracking system and 6 degrees of freedom or 6DoF controllers, you can move freely and interact with objects in your virtual world like never before. And thanks to its compatibility with Steam VR and Oculus Rift games, the gaming options are virtually limitless. In addition, from virtual tours and training simulations to social VR experiences and even therapy sessions, the applications on this VR headset are endless. However, the only drawbacks of Big Screen Beyond are that it's expensive, and there is no built-in audio, but there is an audio strap. In conclusion, with its comfort, visual fidelity, and versatility, it goes beyond traditional gaming experiences and opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for entertainment, education, and more. You got it. So that's it for the best VR headsets in the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.